So we're going to take a look in the next Superlab example as to why and how you might rewrite. But for now, let's just take a look at it. So basically, we have the classifier as the packet comes in, and the classifier is basically connecting the code points, which are the binary values, to the forwarding class. And that really does classify it. It's going to mark effectively the code point into the forwarding class. It's going to store the forwarding class so it can use it for the rewrite later, and also so that it can use it for the scheduling to actually enforce the class of service. So on the way out of the router, if you want to rewrite, it's exactly the same syntax. So set class of service, rewrite rules, DSCP. We're going to name it DSCP rewriter, as good a name as any, forwarding class, layer 3 VPN, and the same code point. And so basically what that's going to do is that's going to rewrite back into the packet these L3 VPN code point numbers. So the rewrite and the classifier really are effectively mirror images. One is storing into the forwarding class and one is reading from it and writing it into the packet. Okay, so to sum up so far, we've got our classifier, we've got our rewriter, we've got our scheduling map, we've done some work with the loss priority and interpolation there. But how are we going to connect this to the interface? And we see that here. Firstly, let's connect the scheduler map. So here, set class of service, interfaces, on the interface, scheduler map, and there is the scheduler map, which we named ready for the core interfaces. And here, on all of the units, we're having the DSCP classifier, which we've reminded ourselves of here, and we're having the rewriter. And so they're doing different things in different directions. Obviously, on a particular unit, if the traffic's inbound, it's going to be being classified. If it's outbound, it's going to be rewritten and scheduled.